Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the cabin air filter, first open the hood. The cabin air filter is located here. There are 3 metal clips securing the passenger cowling. Use a flathead screwdriver to slowly pry off the clip. This is just the absolute best way to drop a clip into the engine bay. Just try to pry one side off and pull the rest of the clip off. Lift the panel off of the cowling. Lift the panel slightly in order to get a little bit of leeway. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1003 filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the cowling panel by locking the teeth with their catch up top. Reinstall the clips. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.